Dear friend, today we will discuss about the Spring Boot React and AI means artificial intelligence, how to use it. Because of this application make to very perfect application if we use to this is the industry level build function. So how to integrate this Spring Boot and React with the AI. So I am just explaining to the full stack developers how to do that. If you are a full stack developer, if you have knowledge about the React.js, if you have knowledge about the Spring Boot, Spring Boot means if you have Java and the concept of Spring Boot. And third is main part is AI model and surface how to integrate intelligent layer like the chatbot, predictions, recommendations, that kind of thing to use whenever you are going to develop the application. So here React, if you have put it in UI layer, suppose you have make it the chat layer, how React.js is communicate with the backend with the Spring Boot, and Spring Boot how to communicate with the AI model. So this is the architecture. So I'm just explaining to the high level architecture. So suppose we have one user or as a front end. So front end users will call to REST API or WebSocket. So REST API is communicate to Spring backend like that authentication, security, and business logic and database MySQL and other thing. And thereafter they go into integration of AI integration layer. So this is the most important thing. So how do we communicate it? So inside the AI integration layer, you used to open AI, LLM API, and ML model. Model means if you are using to the Python or TensorFlow, so you can utilize to this. If you don't know the Python, so you can build through your own based on the Java base. You can do that and recommendation engine. Correct? So this way, so here just I am going to what kind of roles is there, what React does. So React basically build the dynamic UI, collect the user input in text or voice or form based data, and send request to Spring Boot APIs and display AI response like the chatbot and prediction inside whatever. So what based you are developing the application. So accordingly you can do that, integrate the AI, and AI will give the response to the UI and passing through the Spring Boot. So example use cases, I have a chat UI and chat GTP like a interface, AI powered to search and resume to analyzer UI and smart dashboard analytics plus AI. Okay, this is the examples. So that kind of things you can integrate by using to AI. So what is flow? User type the question, React send API request, and so AI response. So how will work with the role of Spring Boot in backend? What is Spring Boot does? Expose the REST API, handle the authentication, JWT token or auth, store and retrieve data from DB. Okay. Act as a bridge between the React and AI. So Spring role is a bridge between React and AI. So why Spring Boot? Because of enterprise ready, secure, scalable, and microservice support. That's why we are using to Spring Boot inside between React and AI model. So type of responsibility, validate the request, check the JWT token, and call the AI services. If you have, because of this is the third layer, if so means bridge, what will do that? Bridge is springboard. So what will do that? So this will do that. First, validate the request, check the JWT token. If all our kind of things are okay, then call to AI services and process the response and send clean JSON to React. So here you are clear about the React.js. So React.js role, what is the React.js role? So you clear about the React.js role and what is the role of what does React? React build dynamic UI, collect input and send the request to Spring Boot and display the AI response like the chatbot protection or inside whatever we have. An example use cases, chat UI, chat GDP like interface, AI powered search, resume analyzer UI and smart dashboard. So that is the huge cases of React, and you are able to understand about the Spring Boot. So Spring Boot act as a bridge between UI means React and AI model. So AI model we can't directly call because of first we will validate the request with JWT token. If these two steps are correct, then we'll call to AI services and process the response and send clean JSON to React. So role of AI in system. AI can be external API. If you are want to use OpenAI, if you want to use Azure Open API, or you want to use Gemini API, because of these are the three API. Azure is a part of microservices, OpenAI is a chatbot, and Gemini is a part of Google. So internal ML model just like as a Python Flex or Fast API or TensorFlow, yeah, PyTorch. So this is the model, that models you can use. All use cases, chatbot, text summarization, code integration, recommendation system, and fraud detection, and resume screening, customer support automation. So that kind of usage through the UI. So UI, what will do that? Chatbot means what you want to expect. So just you put on the chatbot and you get the response. And you want to text summarization, so can use to text summarization. You want to code integration, so can be use AI model for code integration. Means if you have IntelliJ inside, you want to enable the AI, so you can do that. If you write the code, so AI will support you how to write, and you get the syntax of the code accordingly. You do that. And fraud detections. So fraud detections means if you have unauthorized kind of activities happen, so they can fraud detections can be monitored through the AI and resume screening. And you want to screen the resume. If you have a HR team, they want to screen the resume, so they can screen the resume. And customer support automation. And customer support means, you know that any call center related automation we want to do that, so we can use to AI through this. So next things is complete request flow. Example AI chat. I am just taking the AI chat. User type message in React UI. React UI post API chat to the Spring Boot. Spring Boot validate the JWT token and call to AI API and format response. So Spring Boot is a JSON response, React display AI reply. So what kind of, if you want to develop a real project in real words, so how to make it the project structures? So project structure is that your backend, you write a controller, service, security, AI, repository, and model. So AI means LLM model. What model you want to use? Accordingly, you integrate the model, and model API you want to call from the Gemini, or you call from the Azure, you call from the chat GTP. So accordingly you can do that. Integration you will do that. Front end React means inside you can use the component, pages, and service, API calls, and hooks and utils. This is the front end for the React. So to kind of you develop the React and develop the backend. Based on how to communicate, accordingly you can call to through the UI, means through the React you can call to the backend API, REST API, and REST API call through the service and security, then will call to the services, and services connect to the repository connect to the database is connect through the model means it is a entity class, they directly Java code to database. So this mechanism will follow, and thereafter it get the data response from the backend, then communicate with the chatbot API. Okay, so this is the front end React, and front end React structures is that, and security level, how we do that, the security, what is important in AI apps. So if you want to develop the complete authentication based services, so use to JWT token authentication, and you want to give the role based read write, and only the view, what kind of role based authentication you can do that, so that things can be monitored through the UI, and API rate limiting, and AI request logging, and prompt validation. So that is the security features we can apply whenever you want to go with the Spring Boot and React with AI. So now I will give the real world. If you want like that, you can give. So just you put in comment, I will complete, make it a project, and display with you if you want like the real time project structures. So example, real world project, how will AI chatbot, so React UI plus Spring Boot plus LLM. Large language based model. Resume analyzer, upload the resume, AI score can be used, smart CRM, AI suggestion for sales, and AI interview apps, so question generation, and code review, boot AI, so check the code quality. So this kind of real world project you want develop, so you go with these models of AI and integrate into your application by using Spring Boot and React. So why this task is powerful? Here is a question. So because of it is scalable, secure, enterprise ready, cloud friendly, AI enabled, and high demand in jobs. Tech stack summary. So front end layer used to React.js, back end layer you use to Spring Boot, security layers you can use to Spring Security and JWT token, database you can use MySQL or PostgreSQL. AI you can use to OpenAI or Python ML, and DevOps you can use to Docker and Kubernetes. So this is the whole thing about developing the application of React, Spring Boot, and AI integration. So I think you hope the understand about this the whole picture of this concept. So please like this video and subscribe to the channel and put comment if you want anything else from us, so I'm sure you will reply to your questions answer. Thank you so much.